Hi, I'm Trevor Haney, and this is my Periscope project. Over to the left, you can see my done Periscope sitting on the chair. This was a kind of a really fun project to start the class off with. So we all got the same problem that we had to, that we're a little too short, and we're pretty far back in the crowd, and we want to see Bill Nye the Science Guy. And I know if I went to see Bill Nye, I would definitely want to either be in the front or maybe have a Periscope with me to see him, because that would be pretty cool. So we had to ask ourselves, how can I see above the crowd without standing on top of anything? Obviously, we were given the task of creating a Periscope. So the very first thing that I did when I saw that was we just needed to get some kind of design written down. So I decided to draw a little Periscope out. I decided to use some cardboard, some little mirrors that I had. Originally was going to have some big handles on it to kind of steady it a little bit. So that's my my drawing to start off. Then I wound up kind of just grabbing all the stuff that I could. Luckily, I had some cardboard with me. You can see the mirrors there on the table on the right-hand picture. I found some styrofoam, which kind of changed my design a little bit. And I was able to kind of create the Periscope. But while I was kind of doing that, I also made some improvements with it, because it was kind of an iterative kind of process. I would start to create, and then I would adjust some stuff from the original design, and it was just a continuous process. So from the original design, I had to use some rubber bands around the object, just because the cardboard itself was flattened when I first got it, so it kind of lost its shape, so the rubber bands kind of held that together. Instead of using the cardboard for the angles for the mirrors to rest on, because I had that styrofoam, I decided to use that instead. I couldn't put any handles on it, just because it was so kind of lopsided, because I decided to make it, instead of just one box in height, I decided, why not do it two? So I added some little bit more height to it, so the handles were a little floppy, so I got rid of those. So here is the video of my working Periscope. As you can see, I have some of the rubber bands just to kind of hold the shape of it. And then you can look through the pocket mirror right here, and it kind of just focuses into the other people's yards. It's a little choppy because I'm trying to video over the video itself, but it actually worked pretty well. You could see kind of into the neighbor's yard. So thanks for watching. This was a really fun project.